The criminal and civil legal system in Thailand. Thailand legal system is this sharp blend of civil law tradition, customary law, and limited influence from common law judicial reasoning. The modern legal framework began forming during and late and early and centuries, particular under the reign of the King Conclave Court, where legal reforms replaced traditional royal and religious education partisan with the confident century law. Over time, Thailand development and structured judicial inherit and defines its legal system into primary branch criminal law and civil and commercial law. Criminal law system. Thailand criminal law is governed mainly by criminal code and criminal procedure code. The criminal code defines offense and punishment, while the criminal procedure code regulates how criminal cases are produced from investigation to trial and appeal. Crimes in the Thailand we categorize into offense against individual public order, national security, and state institution. Among tons, crimes involving insult and threats against the monarchy and treat with particulars separate. Unlike many Western jurisdictions, Thailand does not utilize a jury system. Instead, criminal case and designs solved by professional judge responsible from the documentary, guilt, and sentencing. The judicial process begins with a complete submit to police authorities once a report is filed. The police investigate and many detain a suspect for up 48 hours. Many detains and subject before a formal trial and regular case by the transferred to public prosecutor who design wherein the evidence warrant and examined. The trial process plays significant emphasis to documentary and testimonial defense and defendants have the right to legal reception and appeal sentence for uh, depending on the offense and might include important fine probation or combination penalties in serious criminal matters and appeal process and extend to the Supreme Court. One of the most globally discussed elements in Thai criminal law section of the criminal code, also known as the lands managed stage law, this section criminals defamation, insult, and threat toward the king, queen, and a part of the Regents and carries strict sentencing ranging from the 3 to 15 years of imprisonment. The profession remains a central topic in human rights discourse and continues to be debated domestically and internationally, especially regarding issue of the freedom of expression. Beyond traditional criminal offense, Thailand has expanded legislation to address modern from the crime. The component crime are irregular offenses committed through digital platform include defamation, misinformation, and hacking. While narcotics and anti-trafficking law have been the antennae civil law, commercial, and law system. Thailand civil legal framework is principally confident and civil and commercial code (CCC). As stated in 109/35, this code regulates private legal relationship and includes provision and contractor property right, family law, and heritage and commercial intents. A foundational concept in the civil system is a freedom of contract, which allow person to independently determine and terms of agreements, provided they do not violate public order or moral principle when the constitutional demand rise, civil court and written and fines, witness testimony and sanctuary interpretation of before issuing judgment. Remedies might include monetary damage and contract termination, restitution, or specific reforms. In addition to formal court justice, Thailand anchors alternate dispute resort or ADR, especially in commercial conflicts. Mediation or arbitration are increasingly favored to do their confident. Because calls and quicker result timeless. Arabics is particularly relevant in cross-border commercial agreements and reforms and film project reversing Thailand's growing role in international business. Development and reform challenge development and organized confident legal framework. Thailand justice system faced ongoing challenges and key issues included balancing state security law with civil liberty and strict judicial transformation, modern and digital crime legislation, and alike domestic law and international human rights and trade framework. Criticism has also risen against the use of the criminal law politic contents from the call for judicial reform and current years legal reform and TFS have the trade the family law modernization. Uh, in crucial property environment and anti-cybercrime regular stance development in Thailand comes to info and legal system in response to societal change and global standards. And the next, any conclusion, Thailand crime and civil legal system reconstruct confident legal tradition shaped by historical transformation and modern legal adoption. And the absence of judicial serious on professional judicial decision making extends confusion and legal reform disgusting as unique legal model in Southeast Asia and Thailand. Constitution, navigation, legal modernization and institutional development is legal system remains central to national governance, regional competency, international legal discourse.